If you're using BOOKBOLT to make low content or medium content books, you may run into a situation where you need to add pages or remove pages. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Project, New Project, and I'm going to create a book here called Zen Watercooler. My trim size is going to be, let's say 8 by 10, and I'm going to do a page count right here. So I'm going to start off with 100 and I'm going to click Create Project. So from here, we're going to see a cover, and then as I scroll down on the left-hand side, we're going to see 100 pages now pop up. If you want to add a page, you'll see here there's an Add Page button right here along the left-hand side under each page. So for example, if I click on page 94 and I add in a graphic, so here for example, I've added in a flower, I can add a page now right after page 94. I can click right here and I can add a page. Now it's important to note that when you add a page, it's going to affect the size of your book, the width of your book, and that affects the spine of your cover. So this is where you want to look at this message. The action will affect cover and interior margins. I'll click OK. So now I have an extra page. When I scroll down here, we're going to see I have 101 pages now instead of 100. We can also see here down at the bottom, my project ID shows 101 pages instead of 100. At the top, we're going to see now I have a cover. And we'll see that my cover now says black and white, 101 pages. So the cover has actually been updated now. The width of the file, especially the spine here, has now changed. Here, for example, I'm back in the new project count, and I'm going to put in a 400-page book. That's quite a large book. And when I click Create, look at how wide the middle of the cover is, because that's going to house 400 pages of material. So really pay attention here on your cover. You'll see the width and the height of the book, and it'll tell you exactly how many pages there are. Now to delete a page is pretty straightforward as well. I'm going to click on page number 1, for example. I'm going to right-click and I'm going to delete this page. I'll click it. You're going to get almost the exact same warning here. I'll click OK. And now we'll see we're down to 399 pages in my project. When I go back to the cover, it now says 399, and the dimensions are slightly different because I'm down 1 page. I hope you found that helpful. You can add a page and delete a page inside of BOOKBOLT. I'll put a link to BOOKBOLT in the video description below. It's an awesome way to create medium content or low content books very quickly. I think it's a great value. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you purchase the BOOKBOLT subscription, I would receive a small commission. Here's another video where you can have some fun using BOOKBOLT.